Welcome. Today in front of me Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to increase touch sensitivity on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap on the display section. Here scroll a little bit down to the increase touch sensitivity section, and just to increase the touch sensitivity on the Google Pixel 6 Pro, just tap here once on the switcher, and just to disable this option again, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So as can you see, that's really simple. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.